Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa N Show. Here is what we have today.
Abameli bakaBaba uJohn Hlophe babhala incwadi bebhalela umama uMary Phathy. Sanibonani, nizokhumbula ukuthi ngeSonto kuSunday Times kuvela indaba yokuthi uDeputy President weMK Party wayefuna ukulala nomama uMary Phathy, lapho khona umama lo azowakhipha ngisho iletter ayibhalela upresident weparty uBaba uJacob Zuma. Base beyambiza kabezindaba lo mama ukuthi aka-clarify ukuthi kwenzakalani. Wafika lo mama walibeka uhlangothi lakhe le-story, wachaza ukuthi cha, isizathu esenza ukuthi azagcine esexoshwe kumkhonto wesizwe party ngama-allegation angelona iqiniso ukuthi wanqaba ukuzolala nobaba uJohn Hlophe la imbizela khona bazolala khona, baspenda ubusuku bonke. Emveni kwalapho-ke wayesethola incwadi eyayithi akamuphi izathu ezokwenza ukuthi angaxoshwa eqenjini. Umama lona-ke wakhishwa esikhundleni lesa aye kuso, ngoba ngithi waxoshwa akuzwakali kahle ngoba useyilunga le-MK Party, kodwa wakhishwa esikhundleni kade kuso ewuconvener waseMpumalanga. Yena wayesethatha udaba lwakhe walufaka enkantolo, uthi i-MK ayilisingathanga kahle udaba lwakhe. Yalikhuluma-ke enkantolo, ithi cha, i-MK ngempela ayilisingathanga kahle udaba lwakhe, ngakho umama lo akabuyele esikhundleni sakhe. Abameli-ke bakaBaba uJohn Hlophe babhale iletter bebhalela yena umama uMary Phathy mayelana nale nsolo azenzile ngoBaba uJohn Hlophe. Angazi noma ngiqale ngale letter yalo mama ukuzikhumbuza ukuthi konje bekabhala ukuthini, bese singena kwiletter lebhalwe abameli bakaBaba uJohn Hlophe. Noma ngeke ngisayifunda ngoba ngangiyifundile kokudlula, kodwa la kule ncwadi umama uMary Phathy ubhalele upresident womkhonto wesizwe party uBaba uJacob Zuma. So uyachaza la ukuthi ufuna ukubeka kucaca ukuthi ama-accusations lawa avelile ngaye aze agcine emenza ukuthi akhishwe esikhundleni ebekasibambile, avele emveni kokuba uDeputy President uBaba uJohn Hlophe evune ukuthi bazolala bonke, yena wala. Uthi-ke kwiparagraph yesithathu, as umuntu wesifazane uzizwa a-victim since enqabe ukulala nobaba, ukuspenda ubusuku nobaba uJohn Hlophe as ifavor ngomhla ka-4 August 2024. Uthi wamthumelela imessage ebusuku ngo-6 minutes before 11, okusho ukuthi ku-6 minutes to 11. Ilapho kokuqale khona zonke lezi zinto lezi. Uthe-ke mayikhuluma nabezindaba wathi akhona ama-SMS awubufakazi. Akugcinanga lapho, abezindaba baphinde bakhuluma nokhulumela iqembu le-MK Party uNhlamulo Ndlela, naye walikhulumela iqembu. Ngiyenzile ivideo ngalokho, angeke ngisangena kukho, kodwa manje ngifuna ukungena kule letter ebhalwe abameli bakaBaba uJohn Hlophe. Iyona-ke letter le ebhalwe abameli baka-JG and Xulu Incorporated Attorney, ebhalelwe umama uMiss Phathy, ibhaliwe Dear Miss Phathy. Isihloko sakhona sithi defamatory statement against Dr. John Hlophe. Number 1, the above matter refers. Number 2, uJG and Xulu Incorporated bamele uDr. John Hlophe okuyiclient labo, and bafuna ukuba-addressa le letter kulo mama ngokwenhlonipho mayelana ney'nsolo ezimehlisa isithunzi kwistatement asenzile. Number 3, kuyaziwa ukuthi ubebhekene ne-disciplinary action kanye ne-suspension by umkhonto wesizwe party ngenxa yama-allegation misappropriation of public funds. Wafaka i-MK Party enxushunxushweni and wangalalela ama-orders avela kwi-national leadership omkhonto wesizwe party. Number 4, ngokwe-constitution ye-MK Party abayi-adopthe ngomhla ka-26 September 2024, iclient labo kwisikhundla sakhe sokuba uDeputy President womkhonto wesizwe party uyinhloko eParliament, national head of the Parliament caucus ney'ndaba zomthetho, and futhi responsible for i-governance ngaphakathi nakwi-structure. Ngenxa yobu-serious bama-allegations obekwe wona, uresponsible yena njenge-deputy president ukuthi abe ingxenye yokukhulunywa kwendaba yakho. Number 5, sekubaliwe konke lokho kungenhla ngesonto lomhla ka-26 January 2025 ku-National Television kwi-interview obunayo ne-Newsroom Africa ubuzwa mayelana nama-allegations obekwe wona wena ukhetha ukungaphenduli lawo ma-allegation kodwa wakhetha ukuphendula kanje. Open quotes, I have denied Dr. Hlophe to advance his interest in me, that is, made sexual advance against me. The actions of Dr. Hlophe, in his capacity as the Deputy President of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, are driven and motivated by what transpired. Close quotes. Umama uyachaza la ukuthi unqabile ukuthi ubaba uJohn Hlophe afezeke imfiso zakhe abekanazo ngaye, ifiso zokuthi enze ucansi naye. Ngaleso zonke-ke iy'nqumo azithathile emveni kwalapho ziphushwe yilokuthi umama lo unqabile. Emveni kokuba kwenzeke lesaselo sokuthi anqabe umama ngesikhathi embizela erumini lakhe kulelo hotela, yonke lento eyinqumo ethathiwe isuka nje lapho umsuka wakhona ukuthi umama lo unqabile ukuzospenda ubusuku naye. Number 6, baze bathi i-link yale interview okukhulunywa ngayo bayibhalile la ngaphansi. Number 7, bathi okuqukethwe ileya ncwadi hambisana kanye nestatement asenzile umama lo ngesikhathi ekhuluma ku-interview asilona iqiniso futhi siyamisleader futhi sidamaja igama kanye nesithunzi seclient yabo kuBaba uHlophe. Iy'nkulumo ezinje ezingelona iqiniso ezimisleadayo nezidamaja isithunzi negama lomuntu ngokomthetho wase-South Africa ziconstitute lento ekuthiwa i-defamation, kanti futhi lento seyikhanda umonakalo omkhulu kwi-client labo wempilweni yakhe personally nasemsebenzini wakhe professional. Bathi-ke le statement lesi besingelona iqiniso futhi bayasizisa kahle ngoba besithi ubaba uHlophe lo uzame ukulala nomama lo. Okwesibili, lokho compromise iposition akuyo ofisini ukuthi akasagayidwanga imigomo nemibandela yeqembu kodwa usegayidwe ukungafezeki kwenhloso yakhe leyabekanayo ngalomama. Futhi baqhubeka bathi bakubonile ukuthi lezi nsolo akagcinanga ukuzikhuluma kuphela e-TV kodwa zibhaliwe kule ncwadi ethi uyithumelele upresident ayithumele ebhale idate yangeyi-16 zikaJanuwari 2025. Kodwa bayafisa ukumkhumbuza umama lo ukuthi isinqumo esaphuma laphaya savela emveni kwe-investigation eyenziwa Umkhonto weSizwe Party Treasurer General kanye nasebenza nayo kwase kuba nama-recommendation angomhla ka-29 July 2024 abhalwe kanjena, open quotes, in light of the above, the Office of the Treasurer General recommend that the party leader be removed from all accounts of the party and there is clear evidence of misuse of party funds, close quotes. Ibhaliwe la ukuthi-ke i-Office ka-Treasurer General recommend ukuthi asuswe umama lo kuwo wonke ama-account eparty ngoba kunobufakazi bokuthi uyimisusile imali yomkhonto weSizwe Party. Bathi-ke iy'nqumo nama-actions athathwa ubaba uHlophe ayegayidwa i-constitution yomkhonto weSizwe Party, lokho okulindeleke kuyo njengokweposition yakhe njengomuntu oyi-public officer. Futhi kuzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi lezi nsolo ezingelona iqiniso zivela after 5 months yonke lento yenzeka. But kodwa ngathi inhloso yalokhu kukhanda i-distraction kwimizamo ye-MK Party ukwenza sure ukuthi iba negama elihle emphakathi. Bayakubeka-ke lana ukuthi i-client yabo kuMnumzane uHlophe kwi-career yakhe kwezomthetho nakwisikhathi asekasisevile yena wazibophezela ukuthi uzolwa nokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu besifazane futhi abuyisa ithemba ku-criminal justice system through campaigning for ama-victim ukuthi awathole ijustice kanye nabo bonke abantu nabangama-survivor wokuhlukunyezwa ngokocansi. Bathi-ke kubuhlungu lokhu ngoba lama-allegation asetshenziswa njengesikhali sokulwa izimpi zepolitiki. Bathi-ke sekwenzekile konke lokhu, into abayidimanda kuye noma abayicela kuye ukuthi ngoLwesithathu lomhla ka-5 February 2025, le nto angiyazi ukuyichaza ngesiZulu, ngizoyichaza ngithini, ngithi ngiyifunde njengoba ibhaliwe. Provide an undertaking that you will desist from making, publishing or causing to be published any further defamatory allegation concerning our client to any party. Okusho ukuthi ngeke asakhuluma, abhale, apublishe or enze ukuthi kubhalwe ezinye izinto ezizoqhubeza ukuthi kwehla isithunzi ngokuthi iceleke isithunzi phansi seclient yabo. Okwesibili funa ayokhuluma neNewsroom Africa asho ukuthi lama-allegations awenzile bowangelona iqiniso, and uyacela ukuthi le portion yale interview lathi khona lo wazama ukufuna ucansi kuye ayicela isuswe kwi-interview leyo, asuse kuwo wonke ama-social media platform account wakhe lawo acontrolwa nguye. Istatement lesesibhalele ku-3.9 u9 no10 ilathi khona ubaba uHlophe wazama ukwenza ama-sexual advances kuye, bathi asuse leyo nto leyo, aphinde futhi awithdrawe le letter ayibhalele upresident ebhalwe nge-16 zikaJanuwari 2025, bese eposta isixoliso noma incwadi yokuxolisa ezobe ibhala amagama alandelayo. Ngizowafunda njengoba enjalo, open quotes. I hereby unconditionally withdraw my utterances made against Dr. Hlophe in an interview on Newsroom Africa on Sunday the 26th of January 2025, in which I falsely accuse him of having made sexual advances against me. I realize that this statement have misled the party I serve and the public at large, and that they have potential to cause irreparable harm to good standing of Dr. Hlophe and the party I serve. I regret my utterances. Close quotes. Ukusummarize nje le nkulumo bathi funeka ibhale ukuthi funeka athi yena uyaxolisa, withdraw futhi lamagama kawashilo against Dr. Hlophe kwi-interview abenayo kwi-Newsroom Africa ngesonto lomhla ka-26 January 2025, lathi khona wa-accuser uDr. Hlophe ngokuthi wafuna ukwenza ama-sexual advances against yena. Leso statement sasingelona iqiniso, sasimisleader abantu nephathi, umphakathi wonkana kanye neqembu lona ngokwalo. Futhi uyabona ukuthi lento lena uma iqhubeke izowenza umonakalo ongeke uzulungiseke. Ku-16 bathi umehluleka ukucomplya nalama demand abamnike wona kule letter le, ba-instructiwe ukuthi cha bathathe inyathelo eyinqala-ke manje ukuthi ba-exercise i-legal right ye-client yabo, okusho ukuthi bazobe sebevula icala ngokusemthethweni bevulela lo mama. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizamile. Isilungu sibuye sibaleke, sibuyele la savela khona. Manje ngizama ukuguqula le nkulumo ukuthi ngiyibeke ngesiZulu izwakalo, bangibona ukuthi kuzongithatha isikhathi eside uma ngiyifunda njengoba injalo ngesilungu ngiphinde ngiyibuyise esiZulwini, ngoba bengingafuni futhi ukuyifunda ngesilungu sodwa. Kodwa ngithe umuntu ofuna ukuyifunda ngesilungu ngiyibeke la ku-screen ngingayisusi. Ngiyacela-ke ukuthi ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kule nto eyenzakalayo. Umama kufanele na ukuthi axolise noma engaxolisi ngokubona kwakho? Nami nje ungangilekelela ungeluleke ukuthi ufuna ngenze njani ngokuzayo. Uma ngase kwenzeke kube khona ilethe ende njengale, qhubeke ngendlela engifunda ngayo noma ngivele ngiyithathe nje isilungu injalo ngihlukane nayo nezinto eziningi ngalokho ngiyibuyise esiZulwini. Ngiyacela ukuzwa lokho kuwe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.